We began this journey with the Bitcoin genesis, then worked on problem solving using Ethereum, and went deeper into blockchain protocol with the decentralized application development using Ethereum. In this course, we rise up from the rabbit hole of blockchain exploration and look around the ecosystem. We explore the surroundings for other blockchain platforms, frameworks, tools, alternatives to POW consensus protocol, and working decentralized application platforms. It is indeed bustling with promising initiatives. We observe Hyperledger, an umbrella organization managed by the Linux Foundation with participation from many prominent businesses and institutions at various levels. We also note the contribution of Microsoft in the form of blockchain as a service, facilitating easy adoption of many blockchain technologies such as Ethereum, R3, and Hyperledger Fabric, and many more. And then there are hotly debated issues such as the consensus protocol, scalability, privacy, confidentiality, and interoperability of the blockchain technology, and autonomous payment issues such as escrow and multi-signature contracts. And of course, we see the emerging alternatives to the blockchain such as Hashgraph. Our goal in this last course is to cover these important topics at a high level. I'm excited to venture out into this ecosystem, and I hope you are too. On completion of this course, you will be able to discuss the permissioned blockchain architectures of Hyperledger, discuss the blockchain as a service offered by Microsoft Azure, analyze two representative decentralized application platforms in Augur and Grid+, explore the challenges in wider adoption of blockchain and solutions for continuous improvement, and explore alternative decentralization models such as IPFS and Hashgraph.